Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Motor Builder. Yes, we're going on with the tumbler. I've got parts right in front of me. You can see them lying there, and I've got three parts: 77, 78, and 79. And I'll make a separate video of the three following that: 80, 81, and 82. But we're going to start with this one and see how that all brings this whole thing together. It's going to be a big car, but we're not working on the car at the moment. I've got a few parts that I put down, that one and these two that we're going to get out as well. So let's get into this beautiful build. And let's get the mag out. Let me just show you the mag. Number 77, as you can see. The history and the movies and pictures from the movie. Schwarzenegger and some other people in there. Then a step-by-step instruction for the left wing actuators, as you can see right there. And that is what we should have, and this is what we do next. So let's get this all together, and we're going to get that one and that one together and put a BP through it for both sides. And I'm going to get a little bit of Vaseline out so I can put those on those pistons. Let's get that BP out first. That went in pretty good, as you saw. Not hard to put together. Then I put that into a little bit of Vaseline. Then we're going to get that close and see how we put that on. We're going to put them on like so. And let's start with the AP from underneath, this one. And we of course do that on both sides. Then we connect them to with these from the outside in. There we go. I've got it. It's not easy. You need to find the proper position. Now this one went in straight away, and that is what you should have. Let's put that to the side because that's all we do in this stage. And let's go into the next stage, which is 78. As you can see right there. And this is the left bulkhead that we're putting on with some screws. I think this is the left one. Yes, we've got the left one right there, so we're going to put it there. Get the box out. There we go, that's the bulkhead. Nothing left in that packet. Wow. So that is how we want it, and we're going to put some CMs in into that, and that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is what we have. And then we're going to get that one on. Also like that. See, those 4 points are in line with the pillars that are underneath, and you have that. And now we put some more CMs in there. That one you see me screw in right now. So that one, that one, that one, and that one, and that is the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 CM screws, and that one's in. There's not a lot of movement in that, but that's it. That is what we have at that moment. This moment. Let me just put it on that one. So we're going to put that to the side. Because in the next stage we'll be making one more of those parts that we just put on in 1979. And as you can see, right air intake with grill and some SM screws. Now that, what we have in my hand here is the grill. We put it in like so and get those SM screws out. So we put them all in, those SM screws, and that is what we have with that grill and with 4 SM screws. I'll put that to the side, and that's this pack, or at least this split up of this pack done. And what have we to show for that and that? And we're going on to the next video. This one is done, and let's keep this here because we're going to work on that in a moment, but you'll see that as the next video. Thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me that next time when I do some more on this beautiful car, the one that you see there, or partly. You don't see that yet, but I hope to see you next time when I do some more of this. And check out my channel and look in the background. You see what I'm building at the moment, and on my channel you see a lot more. Thank you very much for joining me again. See you next time. Bye bye.